In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off screen mirroring on your iPhone. Screen mirroring lets you share your iPhone's display on another device, such as a TV or a computer. Sometimes, you may want to disable screen mirroring for privacy reasons, or once you're done sharing your screen. To begin, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. Next, locate the screen mirroring icon. Once you find it, tap on the icon to open the screen mirroring menu. Here, you'll see the name of the device that is currently connected. Simply tap Stop Mirroring, and your iPhone screen will no longer appear on the other device. If you want to completely turn off screen mirroring on your iPhone and prevent it from automatically connecting to other devices, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then scroll down again and tap AirPlay. After that, tap Automatically AirPlay and select Never. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to let me know in the comments section below.